Hello, welcome back. Now we've done our warm up, let's look at some mime technique. Let's begin. Okay, so first we're going to look at the wiggle and lock. I'll show it from this angle. The wiggle and lock. The wiggle and lock. Okay, let's give it a go together, okay? So, I want you to grab your right hand and it goes like this. It's a wiggle with the hand and then a lock into place. I'll show you from this angle. So it's a wiggle with the hand and then a lock into place. Amazing. Okay, this angle. So it's a wiggle with the hand and a lock into place. Amazing. Okay, now let's try it with both hands. A wiggle and a lock. A wiggle and a lock. I'll show you from this angle. A wiggle and a lock. A wiggle and a lock. And from this angle, a wiggle and a lock. Amazing. A wiggle and a lock. Great. Okay, now we're going to try it and I'm not going to speak this time. Okay? So. Amazing. Well done. Okay, now let's use our wiggle and lock to create a wall. Are you ready? Great. Okay, let's go. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. How big is the wall? Let's move our hands around to find out. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. How wide is the wall? Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing. Now let's try it from the side. Are you ready? Amazing. Here we go. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing. Wiggle and lock. How wide is the wall? Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. How tall is the wall? Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle. How low is the wall? Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing. Back to centre. Well done, everyone. Now I'd like you to imagine a table. How tall is the table? How small is the table? How wide is the table? Amazing. Join in when you can. Let's go. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Feel the table. Feel the table. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Feel the table. Where's the edge of the table? There it is. There it is. Amazing. Wonderful. Now let's try it from the side, okay? When you're ready, join in when you can, okay? Let's go. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Feel the table. Feel the table. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Feel the table. Feel the table. Where's the edge? There it is. Where's the edge? There it is. Okay. Bring yourself back to centre. Amazing. Well done. Okay, now we're going to create a box. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So we're going to wiggle and lock on the side of the box. We're going to wiggle and lock on the other side of the box. And then we're going to move through and find the other sides of the box. Are you ready? The top of the box. The front of the box. The bottom of the box. And this side of the box. And back to the top of the box. And then to the other side of the box. Wonderful. Okay. Now we're going to give that another try, but I'm not going to speak this time. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Wonderful. Amazing. Now we're going to try and move the box. Are you ready? So we're going to wiggle and lock on the side of the box, wiggle and lock on the other side of the box, and then we're going to pick it up, move it across, drop it down and release. Amazing. Let's try that again. Okay, so we're going to wiggle and lock on the side of the box, wiggle and lock on the other side of the box. We're going to pick it up, move it across, move it down and release. Amazing. Wonderful. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to look at them all together. Awesome work. I'll see you in the next video.